this tip of the day, I'd like to demonstrate how you can move geometry by a theoretical intersection. I'm going to hit the spacebar twice to quickly go to a CAD view. And if you take a look at the part, I really would like to move the part so that the datum, the x0, y0, z0, is at the intersection of this edge and this edge right here. Now if we take a look up here in the upper right hand corner, there's my datum, there's the target. So if I were to try to move this now, and by the way, this is just a solid model. If I were to try to move this now, if I hit Control A, Control Alpha on the keyboard, hit the spacebar twice to go to a CAD view. If I go to my Move command, I really can't reference off of those edges to move the geometry to the right location. However, we can do this. If we were to extract some wireframe geometry, then we can reference off of that. So if I head over to the Command Manager, go into our Model Tools, and use this option called Extract Surface Edges, I'm just going to left click there and right click. You can see now that we have wireframe geometry created at all the edges. Alright, so again, spacebar twice to go to a CAD view, Control A, Control Alpha to select everything. We're going to go to our Move command. Now if I hover over this horizontal line, hover over the vertical line, and move my cursor up here, you can see that we can grab that theoretical intersection now. I can left click, and now I can drag the part and snap the origin. Remember, you know you're over the origin when you get that little green square. So I'm going to left click, right hand mouse click, and now you can see that the part has been perfectly located so that the datum is in the upper left hand corner. Alright, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.